Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Abdul Hamid Breika, matric number 2051111. I will talk about impact test. Okay. The test we did was the Sharpie test, where the specimens is fixed in a horizontal position, and the pendulum hits the specimen on the opposite side of the notch, which is for the Sharpie test could either be V sharpened or U sharpened. After it hits it will continue its movement to a certain height. Actually, this is result were obtained when we do the test in the lab. First, we measured the dimensions of the symbol. We do it for specimens U notch and V notch, and then we fixed the specimens at point 4. And after that we set the cutter at point 6. Then we leave it to hit the specimen to give us the energy that we need to cut this symbol. As we can see in V notch, actually the scale didn't show us any result. I think the specimen was so weak, the scale didn't show us any result in the lab. But in the specimen U notch, it showed us 25 Newton to cut that specimen. So what's the purpose to do the test? Generally done to measure the toughness of the material in extremely low temperature. The purpose of an impact test is to determine the ability of the material to absorb energy during a collision. This energy may be used to determine the toughness and impact strength and friction resistance and impact resistance or fracture resistance of the materials. This is the purpose to do the impact test. Okay, now let's talk about the impact test in engineering application. There is so many engineering applications that we can use it. I choose 3 fields of them. First one, in the forging industry, the Sharpie impact test can be used to determine the malleability and ductility of material that is being forged. Also, in the rubber industry, the test can be used to determine the shock absorbing ability of type of rubber, so that its proper application could be decided which one we will use. In the plastic industry, the test is used to analyze the breaking strength of a symbol when it's subjected to a high impact from pendulum. This symbol is ensuring that the material is best for application where it is subject to such impact. Sorry for talking so fast because we don't have that time. Thank you, doctor, for listening. Have a nice day, and thank you for everything.